Here's how you can go ahead and share your screen during an Instagram video call. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, go to the chat section, and find the conversation where you want to start a video call and share your screen. Then tap on the video call icon in the top right corner of. Now, once you've started the video call, you need to go ahead and tap on this little media icon. Here, you'll see the option of screen share that is beside watch. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on start now option, and you'll automatically start recording the screen and show it to the other person that you're in the video call with. If you want to stop the screen recording, you'll get the option of stop recording. You can tap on it and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.